Welcome to MoveFit Mama, your blend of bodyweight strength training and dance fitness. That felt like a mouthful. Made for mums at any age or stage of parenthood. Please do subscribe. The bigger the channel is, the more routines you get. I'm going to do a tutorial at the beginning of this workout. This one is this is more simpler, less choreography heavy, and insanely good cardio, full body burn. You're welcome. Move number one, I'm going to go to the side, center, side, center, side, center, side, center. That's it. Move number two is squats. Just love a squat, don't we? One, up, two, up. And your legs are staying in the same place that they were in for move number one. One, up. Legs are going to hurt just after the warm up. Brilliant. Move number three is one, back, two, back, three, back, four, back. Well, after the fourth one, this leg is going to come to the front, and then you're going to pull this knee and this arm up in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagine you're doing a big ski down the slopes. Oh my god, you can so tell I'm an indoors girly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. That's it. For all the mums that feel like they need a picking up, because you've got this. Let's go. 1, up, 1, up. Nice. Up, 1, up. Keep going.
Times that I've seen you lose your way, you're not in control, and you won't be told. All I can do to keep you safe is hold you close.
Nice.
Hold you close.
1, up,
you
up,
can breathe
up,
on your
up, up, up. Keep going.
You
got
can
this.
breathe
Dig
on
deep,
your
We're going to ski. Up, up, step knee. 1, 2. Yes. You've got this. You're going up, down, 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 throw, throw, throw. You're doing amazing, sweetie. You've got this. Last one. Okay. Who knows? To the side. You're doing it, babe.
Everyone keeps a darker place to lose control. You're not alone.
1.
And when you come looking for
Nice.
embrace, I know your soul. I'll
Squat.
be your home till you can breathe on your own.
I've got you, okay? Keep going.
You can breathe on your own.
That's it. Ski. Give it time, this is the last lot. Okay? Knee. 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 Come on. Bigger. You've got it. Smash it out. Yes. 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 We're nearly at the end. Come on. Don't waste it. Is it? Oh my god, you smashed it.